The forest is silent. A twig snaps underfoot, and a bird takes flight. In the distance, a dark shape scuttles up a leaf, gone in a flash. It was only a spider, but to those who don't understand them, they can be creepy. Even though they can be scary, there's more to these 8-legged creatures than meets the eye. And today, we're going to find out what it takes to survive as a spider. First off, let's take a look at some of the amazing types of spiders that live in the forest. We'll start with the orb weavers. These spiders are famous for the webs they build, often in trees or shrubs. But why do they build them so high up? Well, orb weavers spin webs to catch their food, mainly flying insects. You see, they build their webs in places where lots of insects fly by. The higher, the better. By spinning webs, they get an excellent view of their surroundings. They can spot approaching insects from far away and quickly move into position to catch them. If an insect accidentally flies into the web, the spider senses the disturbance and rushes to the struggling meal. Using its sharp fangs, the spider injects a special venom into the insect, which quickly paralyzes it. Then the spider wraps the insect in silk, either for eating right away or for storing later. But wait, there's more. Orb weavers have another trick up their furry little sleeves. While most spiders rely on camouflage to hide from predators, orb weavers make their webs a part of their defense. When a predator approaches, the spider immediately notices the vibrations in the web. This gives it enough time to escape before the web is torn apart. However, one of the main reasons orb weavers build webs up high is to avoid certain predators like birds. Spiders are a tasty treat for many animals, including birds, frogs, and even some insects. So by building their webs out of reach of these predators, orb weavers increase their chances of surviving and catching their next meal. Moving on, let's meet our next spider. Trapdoor spiders make their homes in burrows. They dig in the ground, and instead of webs, they ambush their unsuspecting prey. These spiders are mostly found in grasslands and deserts around the world. Each spider digs a vertical hole in the ground and then creates a hinged door to cover it. This door acts as a trap, hiding the spider from its prey. As soon as the trap is sprung, the prey falls into the burrow, and the spider quickly closes the door. But it doesn't end there. Inside the burrow, the spider has a special treat for its prey, a sticky glob of goo. The spider shoots this goo at its prey, making sure it's stuck fast. Then the spider slowly starts to eat its dinner. But don't worry, it takes its time to savor every bite. Some trapdoor spiders even wrap their prey in silk thread before enjoying their meal. This keeps the food from escaping. It makes it easier for the spider to carry any leftovers back to its burrow to eat later. Let's not forget about tarantulas. These hairy, giant spiders are known for their speed and strength. You can find them in forests, deserts, and even caves all over the world. Tarantulas are nocturnal, meaning they're most active at night. This helps them avoid daytime predators and cooler temperatures. Instead, they come out when the sun goes down to hunt for food. Tarantulas are ambush predators, which means they wait for their prey to get close before striking. Once they grab their meal, they wrap it in silk to hold it still and devour it. Some tarantulas even use their venom to paralyze their prey before wrapping it up. This makes it much easier for them to eat their dinner. Plus, their venom can also help break down the prey's body, making it even tastier for the tarantulas. And finally, let's meet the jumping spiders. Jumping spiders are small, but they have huge, curious eyes that help them find food and avoid danger. These spiders can be found all over the world, but they're most active during the day. Unlike other spiders, jumping spiders don't build webs to catch their food. Instead, they use their keen eyesight and agility to hunt down their meals. They can jump up to 50 times their own body length to capture their prey. That's like a human jumping over a house. But it's not just their jumping skills that make them special. Jumping spiders also have the ability to change the color of their skin. This helps them camouflage themselves and sneak up on their unsuspecting prey. But don't worry, they aren't dangerous to humans. Their small size and venom aren't a threat to us, so we can admire their beauty from afar. Now that we've met some of the amazing spiders that live in the forest, let's take a closer look at their unique features. Spiders have 8 legs, 2 body parts, and multiple eyes. Their mouth contains fangs that they use to inject venom into their prey. And they also have spinnerets, which are organs that produce silk. Spiders can use silk for a variety of purposes, such as creating webs, building egg sacs, and wrapping their prey. Some spiders are also able to produce different types of silk for different uses. Spiders typically lay their eggs in silk egg sacs, which protect the eggs from predators and the elements. When the spiderlings hatch, they disperse and begin searching for food and a new fig tree to call home. Spiders play a vital role in our ecosystem. Firstly, they're a great source of food for many animals, providing them with essential nutrients. For example, birds, reptiles, and mammals that feed on spiders can rely on them as a significant part of their diet. Additionally, spiders help control populations of other insects, including pests that can damage crops or spread diseases. By preying on these insects, spiders help keep their numbers in check and reduce the need for pesticides. Moreover, spiders themselves can sometimes be used as food by humans in some cultures. For example, in parts of Asia and Africa, fried tarantulas are considered a delicacy. Finally, spiders are also used in medical research, particularly for their silk, which is stronger than steel. Scientists are studying spider silk to develop new materials for use in medicine and engineering. By understanding the properties of spider silk, researchers hope to create stronger and more durable products that can improve our lives. From controlling pests to inspiring new technologies, spiders are truly fascinating creatures. But despite their benefits to us, spiders face threats of their own. Habitat loss due to deforestation and climate change is endangering many species of spiders. By protecting forests and reducing our impact on the environment, we can help ensure that spiders continue to thrive. Additionally, we can also learn more about spiders and their important role in our ecosystem. The more we understand about spiders, the more we can appreciate their beauty and importance to our world. So the next time you see a spider, take a moment to appreciate its unique features and the role it plays in our ecosystem. Who knows, you might even learn something new. Remember, spiders are more than just creepy. They're amazing creatures that deserve our respect and admiration. Let's continue to learn about them and protect them for future generations to enjoy. As the forest comes alive with the sounds of the morning, it's time to say goodbye. But before we go, remember to stay curious. The world is full of wonders, and there's always something new to discover. So keep exploring, asking questions, and never stop learning. Until next time, goodbye. In the tapestry of life, each creature plays a part, big or small. And spiders, with their intricate webs and silent tread, remind us of the beauty and wonder that surrounds us. They teach us about patience and resilience, showing us how to adapt and thrive in ever-changing environments. So let us celebrate the spider, a creature often misunderstood, yet truly one of nature's finest creations. May their stories inspire us to appreciate the diversity of life and to marvel at the intricate balance of our natural world.